Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Serena Huang. So about January this year, if you look at LDF Instagram post, you'll see this giveaway with the Minyungi Oppa doing heart thingy. Yeah, I won that giveaway. There are actually three things why I joined the giveaway, even though I don't have that luck that you need to, win a giveaway. So at first, it's just because, oh, the prize is amazing. Like, I want to have that, of course. And the second one, oh, it's Minyo Yopa. Maybe he'll give his blessings to me. And third, just why not? So I joined the giveaway, just like commented, and then I don't really remember like days or weeks after that. I mean, after I commented at the post, my friend like chat me like, "Hey, Regina," and I'm like, yeah, why? Do you see LDF post? No, not yet. I mean, I'm not at Instagram that often. And she said, you won that thing. I'm like, excuse me, what? Like, I don't even believe in her. And yeah, she didn't lie. I did win the giveaway. So the package just arrived like last week. No, it actually arrived at around the end of January. So here's the story. So to be honest, I never win any giveaway, and the first giveaway that I won is from LDF Korea. It's like an international giveaway, so I will get an international package. And so here's the thing. After I'm like giving my address, I don't know the details. Like did LDF send it to me? I don't know that. I don't even know what I want. And then after some times, just around the beginning of April, I decided to DM LDF again and ask about the package. So I'm like, "Hey LDF, this is me, the one who won your giveaway at around January. So I haven't got my package. Can I ask the details of it?" Actually, I didn't expect LDF to reply it like in so detailed manner, and then I was so happy about it. Thank you, LDF. And with the help of LDF and other Post Indonesia workers, I managed to get the package. So let's open it right now. As you can see, it's a very sturdy package and it's sealed very tight. So I'm just going to use my scissors to open it because it'll be much easier. Okay, so inside there is this box. It's actually pretty light, but when I shake it, I can, feel that it's very hollow. So yeah, maybe there is bubble wrap inside. I mean, they did tell it in the post that each winner will only win one thing. So inside we can see these two lovely things. Sorry that the lighting kind of make it, kind of yellow. But it's actually not that yellow. It's a beautiful blue with yellow. It's just a normal paper bag. It's pretty small, but it's beautiful. Okay, this box here maybe contains the product. I actually kind of sad that it is dented. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I mean, I would like to save every boxes of the products that I got from, because why not? They are beautiful. The sticker is kind of hard to peel off because I don't want to cut that thing. I want to preserve it. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, so inside there is another box that's pretty sturdy of a packaging. And they are just papers. I thought that SDF will give me a letter or something. Now we are with the last box. It's actually a very strong box. It is matte, and of course they have this, how to use the ingredients. Now let's enjoy the details of the box. You're welcome. Okay, now we are off to the best part. I've been trying to know like what is inside. I'm actually kind of surprised because there is no seal, but whatever. Okay, I had to say I really struggled when I tried to close the tube. Let's test it on our hand. Oh, it's shining. Now that I put it inside the bag, it looks kind of cute. I feel like I buy this expensive hand cream at Lotte Duty Free. I'm not the typical person who spent on hand cream. I don't even have any hand cream. So I think this is a good start. And I think it's kind of cute as well that the small box of the packaging, I guess, have this also. So this big bag is actually not really necessary if you are only buying this one, but whatever. I love the small bag, it's cute. And this is like the limited edition sea butter cream. Wow. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like baby powder. I'm not sure how like sea butter smells like, but it smells pleasant. I like it. Is this how you use hand cream? I shouldn't even know. Oh my god, it smells so good. If I'm like using this every day, I would like smelling my hand every time. Oh, I really like the giveaway prize. Thank you so much LDF, and thank you so much Minyong Yapa for the blessing. Yeah, that's the unboxing of the giveaway prize. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't subscribed. See you on my next video. Bye!